Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is really part 3, but you might get a lot of information out of this one. I stated in that video, and then while it was loading, I thought, I didn't tell them that you could trace it with more detail, and this is a perfect example. If you look at this PDF, it's got a lot of specks of whites and flecks like marbling of meat. So we're going to trace this thing, and yours is going to be on a bitmap, outline trace, clip art, and I'm just going to run it normal, the way it's going to come out. And I'm going to hit OK. Well, I'm going to move that off to the side. Now this time, and if you look at the specs are gone. It's almost all black. And it is all black. And that was one of his problems. This time we're going to go to bitmap, outline trace, clip art. But after it's done it, see the detail is like 43%. Let's bump it up in this case to 100% and then hit OK. I want you to look at the difference of the two steaks. One of them has a lot more marbling in the bone and in the strip and in the tenderloin. So when we turn both these, let's go up here and let's ungroup them both. Go to Object and Group and Ungroup. When we turn these two steaks gray, I didn't have them selected. I thought you know what? I probably grouped them together. Ungroup all. Let's grab that strip side. Let's make it gray. Let's grab this strip side. See, it's got so many marbling in it that it is showing. You're touching it. So in this piece, we only have a couple of specks of marbling. Well, on this piece, because we added detail, we've got a lot of specks of marbling, and it's going to make it engrave a lot better. Even the bone. I mean, look at the middle of the T-bone. Now, they're not perfect specks, but it increased the items tremendously by just adding that one thing and adding more detail. And a lot of times it doesn't help. This time it helped quite a bit. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.